Welcome, dear traveler, to a journey of inner discovery and peaceful surrender. In this meditation, we'll explore the dance of life, a delicate balance between effort and ease, action and stillness. Find a comfortable space, free from distractions, where you can sit or lie down peacefully. As you settle in, allow your breath to become your anchor, gently guiding you into a state of deep relaxation and open awareness. Let each breath be a soft whisper, reminding you of the present moment. Imagine yourself in a tranquil garden, where time moves gracefully, unburdened by the haste of the world. This garden, filled with the gentle scents of blooming flowers and the soothing sounds of nature, represents the landscape of your inner self, vast, serene, and profoundly beautiful. As you walk through this garden, notice how each step feels lighter, as if you are being carried by the breeze. This ease of movement is the essence of living in harmony with life's rhythm. Now, let us turn to the story of a skilled archer. This archer, known for his precision and strength, often found himself struggling with his aim. Despite his efforts, his arrows would miss the mark. One day, an old master watched him and said, "Your skill is impeccable, but your mind is too full of the target. Let go of the need to hit the bullseye, and you will find your aim true." The archer, heeding this advice, began to shoot with a mind free of expectation, and to his amazement, his arrows flew straight and true. This tale illustrates the power of letting go. When we release our tight grip on the outcomes, we open ourselves to the natural flow of success and fulfillment. Consider the ocean, vast, deep, and ever-changing. It does not resist the wind nor the pull of the moon. It simply exists, flowing with the tides, embracing its nature. Just like the ocean, we too have an inherent rhythm, a natural flow that guides us. When we align ourselves with this flow, our actions become as effortless as the ocean's waves. We learn to move through life with grace, embracing each moment as it comes. As you continue to breathe deeply, let these stories settle in your heart. Reflect on their meanings and how they resonate with your own experiences. Each breath you take is a step further into the realm of relaxation and understanding. The garden around you seems more vibrant now, a reflection of the clarity emerging within you. In this space of clarity, let's explore another parable. There once was a farmer who tried to force his crops to grow faster by pulling on the young shoots. Despite his efforts, the plants withered under his force. A wise neighbor advised, "Nature cannot be hurried. Nurture the plants with patience and they will flourish." The farmer learned to care for his crops without haste, and soon his fields were abundant. This story teaches us the value of patience and trust in the natural processes. We cannot rush growth, whether it's in a garden or within ourselves. Growth, true and lasting, requires time, patience, and gentle care. In your mind's eye, you find yourself now at the edge of a forest. The trees stand tall and proud, their leaves whispering ancient secrets. Each tree is a symbol of strength and resilience, growing steadily towards the sky, yet firmly rooted in the earth. They do not strain towards the sun. They simply grow, unhurried, trusting in their natural ability to reach great heights. This forest is a reminder that our greatest achievements often come not from forceful striving, but from being deeply rooted in our own being, growing at our own pace. As you walk through the forest, you come across a stream, its waters flowing freely over rocks and through crevices. Observe how the water effortlessly finds its way around obstacles, not fighting against them, but gracefully adapting to the path available. This stream is like the journey of our lives. When we encounter obstacles, we can choose to flow around them with grace and adaptability, rather than crashing against them with frustration and force. Let this visualization of the stream guide you deeper into a state of relaxation. With each breath, feel your body becoming lighter, as if the stream's water is gently washing away any lingering tension or stress. Your thoughts flow freely, unburdened by worries or fears. In this state of tranquility, you find a deeper connection to yourself and the world around you. Now, as you continue your walk through the forest, a gentle rain begins to fall. The raindrops touch the earth with a soft rhythm, a perfect symphony of nature. Each drop is a reminder that life is a series of small moments, each one precious and unique. The rain does not pour with force. It simply falls, nourishing the earth. In life, we too can embrace each moment, not rushing through them, but experiencing them fully, letting them nurture our souls. As the rain stops, a rainbow arcs across the sky, a beautiful blend of colors and light. This rainbow is a symbol of hope and renewal, a reminder that even after the darkest storms, beauty can emerge. In our lives, we can find hope and beauty in every experience, trusting that each challenge is followed by renewal. As this meditation comes to a close, take a few more deep breaths, savoring the peace and clarity you found in this journey. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, feeling grounded and refreshed. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to your surroundings with a renewed sense of calm and perspective. Remember the lessons from the garden, the archer, the ocean, the forest, the stream, and the rain. Carry these images and their meanings with you as you move through your day. Trust in the dance of surrender, knowing that when you align with life's natural rhythm, you can find joy, peace, and fulfillment. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May you continue to walk through life with grace, patience, and a heart open to the wonders that unfold.